Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's class, we'll see how to say I don't know in 5 different sentences in German. Ich weiß es nicht. This is a very common sentence, you are already aware. But there are some other ways of saying the same thing. So we'll see one by one. You can note down or you can learn it. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Ahnung means knowledge. I have no knowledge. I am not aware. Like in English, we have different sentences. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Or you can say, ich habe keine Idee. This is also very common and popular among students. Ich habe keine Idee means I have no idea. But you need to pronounce correctly. Idee. Next sentence. Ich bin ratlos. Ratlos means clueless. I am clueless. I don't know. Ich bin ratlos. That is also correct. You can use it. So these are very common sentences used by the students. Next sentence. This is a different verb we are using here. You can see. Ich kenne mich nicht damit aus. Sich auskennen is the verb. Ich kenne mich nicht damit aus means I am not aware, I don't know this thing. I don't know this. Simple. Sich auskennen. Next sentence. Ich habe keine Information. Ich habe keine Info oder Information dazu. I have no information about that. Ich habe keine Information dazu. Next sentence. Ich habe keine Kenntnis. I have no knowledge. Kenntnis means knowledge. Ich habe keine Kenntnis davon. I have no idea, no knowledge. So here davon. Ich habe keine Kenntnis davon. Next sentence. Ich bin ahnungslos. That is also correct. Ich bin ahnungslos. I have clueless, as I already said. Ahnungslos, ratlos. That is also correct. That's all in this video. Bye bye. Take care.